It has been a change in my life, and it has brought a lot of grounding and balance with the exercises, and to really connect with my inner potential, to get more in touch with my yin side, with my feminine side. Well, with the Jade Egg Holistic Practice, it has opened up a lot of treasures that were kept there. I really enjoy how Anamarta teaches, so that's why I organize her the workshops in Edinburgh, and trying to bring her every year there. Because as well I see how the women changes in one weekend, how women can flourish, open up themselves into a new woman, into a higher self. So that's for me really valuable, and it's really humanitarian. It has helped me through different experiences, hard experiences that I have gone through. And one of them is when I had the cyst. She made a really beautiful prescription, which I followed. I followed for 1 month, and after a month the cyst burst. I found out I was pregnant. So that was a beautiful and magical way to see the healing that I went through. So now that was my first child, which was a boy, and now I am in my second pregnancy, which is a little girl, and I am again in an advanced workshop. The Jade Egg is a light in my life.